Have you ever wondered why some relationships feel like they're on fire, while others struggle to keep the spark alive? Or why certain moments with your partner leave you feeling deeply connected, while others fall flat? If you've ever asked yourself these questions, you're not alone, and you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the heart of what makes relationships thrive: intimacy. But not just the physical kind. We're talking about the emotional, mental, and even spiritual bonds that truly bring two people closer together. So, grab a cozy seat and let's explore how you can transform your relationship into something extraordinary. Intimacy is often misunderstood. It's not just about physical closeness. It's about feeling seen, heard, and valued by your partner. It's about creating a safe space where both of you can be your most authentic selves. But here's the thing. Intimacy doesn't just happen. It's built through small intentional actions that add up over time. So, let's break it down and uncover the secrets to building a deeper, more fulfilling connection with your partner. Let's start with emotional intimacy, the foundation of any strong relationship. Emotional intimacy is about vulnerability. It's about sharing your fears, dreams, and insecurities without fear of judgment. But how do you get there? Ask deeper questions. Instead of, "How was your day?" try, "What's something that made you feel proud today?" Or, "What's been on your mind lately?" Practice active listening. When your partner speaks, give them your full attention. Put away your phone, make eye contact, and really hear them. Celebrate their wins. When your partner achieves something, no matter how small, celebrate it with them. It shows you're invested in their happiness. Physical touch is one of the most powerful ways to build intimacy. It's not just about sex. It's about the little moments of connection that remind your partner they're loved. The 10-second hug. Did you know that hugging for at least 10 seconds releases oxytocin, the love hormone? Try it. It's a game changer. Unexpected touches, a gentle hand on their back, a playful squeeze of their hand, or a surprise kiss can speak volumes. Massage as a love language. A simple shoulder rub after a long day can show your partner you care in a deeply personal way. Communication is the glue that holds intimacy together. But it's not just about talking. It's about how you talk. Use I statements. Instead of saying, "You never listen," try, "I feel unheard when." This shifts the focus to your feelings without blaming your partner. Check in regularly. Set aside time each week to talk about how you're both feeling in the relationship. It's like a relationship tune-up. Be curious, not critical. If your partner does something that bothers you, ask questions instead of jumping to conclusions. What was your intention behind that? Can open up a whole new conversation. Routine can be the enemy of intimacy. When things get predictable, the spark can fade. So, why not shake things up? Try something new together. Take a cooking class, go hiking, or even learn a new language together. Shared experiences create lasting memories. Recreate your first date. Remind yourselves of why you fell in love in the first place. Surprise each other. Leave a love note in their lunchbox. Plan a spontaneous date night. Or send a flirty text in the middle of the day. It's the little things that keep the excitement alive. Here's a truth bomb. You can't fully connect with your partner if you're not connected to yourself. Self-intimacy is about understanding your own needs, desires, and boundaries. Spend time alone. Whether it's journaling, meditating, or just taking a walk, make time to check in with yourself. Know your love language. Understanding how you give and receive love can help you communicate your needs to your partner. Practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself. The more you love and accept yourself, the more love you can give to your partner. At the end of the day, intimacy is about creating a space where both you and your partner feel safe, loved, and valued. It's about showing up for each other, even when it's hard. And remember, intimacy isn't a one-time thing, it's a daily practice. So, start small. Try one of the tips we discussed today and see how it transforms your relationship. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more insights on love, relationships, and personal growth. Let me know in the comments, what's one thing you're going to try to deepen your connection with your partner? I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, take care of your heart and your relationships. See you soon.